How does the translation tool work? The translation tool, which uses Google Translate, is used to translate the entire document to the chosen language. Google Translate is only accurate for words or phrases. By translating the entire document, you will get a gist of the contents, but the sentence structure may be incorrect. Let's look at an example. On the screen, we have text-to-speech technology is a great way to use multiple senses for learning. To begin with, you are reading the material, but you are also listening to the material read aloud, which is using the senses of sight and hearing. Let's translate the document into American Spanish. Click on Translation on the left-hand menu. From the language drop-down selection on the pop-up screen, select American Spanish. Click Translate. We see the document has been translated. Let's listen to it.
La tecnología de texto a voz es una excelente manera de utilizar múltiples sentidos para el aprendizaje. Para empezar, está leyendo el material, pero también está escuchando el material leído en voz alta, que utiliza los sentidos de la vista y el oído.
You can revert the document to the original language by clicking on Revert Translation, which is located in the upper right-hand corner of the new text editor screen. Now that you know how to use the translation tool, you can copy material from foreign newspaper sites and translate them to have a gist of the article. Be sure to set your original language to the document language before doing the translation.